So Digi Yatra is a program which is supported by Ministry of Civil Aviation. Digi Yatra Foundation is a not-for-profit Section 8 company which has the 6 airports in India as a board members, and Ministry of Civil Aviation as the guiding ministry. So far the program has been live for 2 years, and we have made around 19 million users have downloaded the app, which has been used for around 75 billion verifiable claims in the last 2 years for the domestic journey. So it's a flagship program for contactless travel in India. As a logical step, what we have to do is we have proved that the verifiable credentials can be the way forward for aviation for the domestic travel. Logically, we want to explore the international travel. So this program is helping us interact with industry participants, airlines, global airlines, airports, and the solution providers to weave together a solution which can work across all these wallets and airlines to carry the passengers from Indian origin to the foreign destination and back. So this program has been really great help for us to explore that with all the participants and weave together a very comprehensive solution. So Digi Yatra started off with a vision that we can give the passengers an experience of walk in the park when they walk through the airport. Like, they don't have to talk to anyone when they are starting from the entry to the boarding gate. So we have achieved that in the domestic space. With WDS, where all the airports are going to come together, and the solutions which we are working upon here, we will be able to demonstrate how a similar journey can be demonstrated across the airports, multiple airports with the same passengers. Come over to our session to watch this live.